I was joking.
You're joking. All right, let's do it.
My thinking is so superior, and my knowledge is so positive, and my logic is so wise until it clashes with their mentality, which is down here and I'm up there. So by me being so high, I can see more and see farther than you. And you looking up at me saying, Ali, don't do it. Ali, please stop, you ain't hurt. But I'm at such a high level until I don't think like you. I'm not like you.
Hello. Have you ever been on a dating app and you notice how both sides and the end of it usually get burned with one exception? You know, if you have female friends who use these apps, they're always complaining about how the men on the apps are only looking for hookups, when in reality, when bombarded by a sea of simps, they only choose a small percentage of highly desirable men. Thus now, with these men and their excessive selection, little incentive is reinforced for these men to settle down. And is that wrong? Absolutely not. It's just Mother Nature, supply and demand. They're highly in demand and there's just too much supply. But as a result of this, not playing the human game on their terms, both the majority of men and the majority of women have a horrible experience using these apps. If either party wanted a relationship, a long-term partner, using a platform that perpetuates hookup culture likely isn't the best course of action. That's just it. The first question we must ask is if we are even playing the right game to meet those expectations. Are we playing a game where the rules work in our favor, or are we just hoping life will hand us what we want with ease? Even then, what has happened? Almost always something was just handed to us. Over time we found out it was exactly what we did not want. It was just another bag full of snakes. You know, the problem with us as a species is that we tend to mimic the desires of another all the time, all the while exploring very little in regards to what we actually need as the individual. As a result of this, we rarely pay attention to our own voice, our own vision, because in an echo chamber of doubt, others projecting their own conditioned perspectives, simply, it's just so easy to get discouraged. But that's exactly what we need to figure out. If we are playing the best game to meet our expectations, and if our expectations are even our own, are they instead just a need to fulfill an ego conditioned out of fear and discouragement, or are they truly your own? If you truly do have a vision that makes sense to you, one thing is for certain, it won't be handed to you easily, but nonetheless, it will be worth the work you put forward. I promise. Until next time. Peace.